Hello everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 5Z and let me show you how to do fingerprint on this device. So at first we have to open the settings, then find and select password and biometrics, and here just click on Add Fingerprint. Tap on continue then, and at first you have to set some lock screen. It would be a backup to your fingerprint obviously, so let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap on use, even though it's not a sophisticated one. Tap on OK, and now just place your fingerprint on the sensor. So the best way is to grab your phone as you normally do it, and then just place your fingerprint here. Just keep tapping until it's fully added. And then tap on done. So as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.